Something extraordinary is happening to women over 50 right now, and the beauty industry is desperately hoping you never find out. Women who look 10 years older than their age are suddenly being mistaken for their daughter's sisters. Deep wrinkles that seemed permanent are softening within days. And it's not from expensive creams or cosmetic procedures. It's from three specific vitamins that cost less than $20 a month. This video will explain the exact science behind why this works and provide the precise protocol that's reversing years of aging for thousands of women. But first, understanding what actually causes aging in women over 50 changes everything. The beauty industry has spent billions convincing women that aging skin is about collagen loss and expensive creams are the solution. But the real problem is happening at the cellular level, inside the body, not on the surface. And no cream, regardless of price, can fix an internal problem. After age 50, women experience a dramatic drop in estrogen levels. But what most women don't realize is that estrogen keeps skin thick, elastic, and hydrated. When estrogen drops, skin literally starts breaking down from the inside. Collagen production can drop by 30% in the first 5 years after menopause. And topical collagen molecules are too large to penetrate past the outer layer of skin. So women spend hundreds of dollars on products that are scientifically incapable of solving the problem. This is why women spend thousands on skincare and see minimal results. A routine doctor's visit about 4 months ago changed everything for thousands of women. One woman mentioned frustration with skin aging to her physician. The doctor asked if vitamin levels had ever been checked. A full panel of blood tests revealed severe deficiency in 3 specific vitamins. Medical experts explained that these 3 vitamin deficiencies were directly contributing to accelerated skin aging. High-dose supplements were prescribed. Within 72 hours, changes became noticeable. Within 2 weeks, the transformation was undeniable. The first vitamin is vitamin D3, and this is the most important one. Vitamin D is actually a hormone that regulates over 1,000 different genes in the body. When the body is deficient in vitamin D, skin cells don't regenerate properly. Vitamin D also regulates inflammation throughout the body, and chronic inflammation is one of the primary drivers of skin aging. Studies show that up to 75% of women over 50 have insufficient vitamin D levels. The RDA is 600 international units, but most experts believe women over 50 need at least 2,000 to 4,000 IUs daily. Most women take no vitamin D supplementation whatsoever. Blood levels often measure around 19 nanograms per milliliter when optimal is between 50 and 70. Physicians typically prescribe 5,000 IUs daily. Within 2 weeks, skin clarity improves dramatically. The dullness that seemed like inevitable aging starts to fade. Skin looks brighter, more radiant, like it's lit from within. The second vitamin is vitamin K2, and this surprises most people because they've never heard of it. Vitamin K2 is responsible for calcium regulation throughout the entire system. As bodies age, calcium can start accumulating in arteries, joints, and skin. When calcium deposits in skin tissue, it causes calcification. This makes skin feel stiff, less elastic, and more prone to wrinkles. Vitamin K2 prevents and can even reverse this calcification process. It literally pulls calcium out of soft tissues and redirects it to bones. This improves skin elasticity and reduces fine lines. But vitamin K2 is only found in fermented foods like natto, certain cheeses, and egg yolks from pasture-raised chickens. Most Western diets are severely deficient in vitamin K2. Physicians prescribe 180 micrograms of vitamin K2 daily in the MK7 form. Within a week, skin feels different to the touch. Less papery, more elastic, with more substance and resilience. Fine lines around the eyes start to soften noticeably. The third vitamin is methylated B complex, specifically B6, B9, which is folate, and B12. The critical word here is methylated. Most cheap B vitamin supplements contain synthetic forms that many people cannot convert into active forms. There's a genetic variation called MTHFR mutation affecting up to 40% of the population. People with this mutation cannot process synthetic folic acid or regular B12 efficiently. When deficient in B vitamins, homocysteine levels rise, causing inflammation and damaging collagen. Skin cell turnover slows down, leading to dull, aged-looking skin. Physicians prescribe high-quality methylated B-complex supplements. Within 5 days, energy levels increase noticeably. Within 10 days, skin starts looking plumper and more hydrated. The hollowness under eyes improves visibly. These 3 vitamins work together synergistically. Vitamin D3 reduces systemic inflammation. Vitamin K2 improves circulation and tissue health. B vitamins support cellular energy and renewal. Together, they create an environment where skin can actually regenerate properly. This isn't masking symptoms like topical products do. This is fixing the underlying biological problem. Now addressing the obvious question everyone is thinking. If this is so effective, why isn't everyone talking about it? The beauty industry is worth over $500 billion globally. These industries profit from women believing they need expensive products and procedures. If women realized they could improve their skin for $20 a month, entire product lines would become obsolete. They fund studies on ingredients they can patent. They don't fund studies on vitamins because vitamins can't be patented. But the research exists for anyone looking. Hundreds of studies show the connection between these vitamin deficiencies and accelerated skin aging. The exact protocol producing these results needs explanation. Critical disclaimer first. This is not medical advice, and everyone should consult their healthcare provider before starting supplementation. Here's the exact daily protocol. Every morning with breakfast, 5,000 international units of vitamin D3, not vitamin D2, specifically D3, which is more bioavailable. Taking it with food is essential because it's fat-soluble. Also taken with breakfast is 180 micrograms of vitamin K2 in the MK7 form. Vitamin D and K2 should always be taken together. And a high-quality methylated B complex containing at least 50 milligrams of B6 for 100 micrograms of methylfolate and 1,000 micrograms of methylcobalamin B12. 3 supplements, 1 time per day, with breakfast. Total cost is approximately $18 per month. Quality matters enormously with supplements. Avoid cheap brands using synthetic forms. For vitamin D3, the ingredient should be cholecalciferol. For vitamin K2, labels should specify MK7, not MK4. For B vitamins, labels must say methylfolate and methylcobalamin, not folic acid and cyanocobalamin. The week-by-week progression helps set realistic expectations. Week 1 brings increased energy and better sleep. Skin looks slightly brighter, but nothing dramatic yet. Week 2 shows other people commenting that the person looks well-rested. Under-eye darkness improves noticeably. Fine lines around eyes start to soften. Week 3 brings significant skin texture improvement. Skin feels smoother, more hydrated from within. Week 4 shows undeniable transformation. Faces look fuller, less hollow. Skin has a healthy glow that hasn't been present in years. Week 8 brings comments from people asking if cosmetic work has been done. Week 12 shows comparison photos that are stunning. The person looks at least 10 years younger than 3 months prior. And the improvements keep continuing beyond 12 weeks. This addresses the root cause, so improvements are lasting. This protocol works best when combined with basic good skincare habits. Basic cleansing, simple moisturizer, and daily sunscreen are still beneficial. But spending hundreds on serums becomes unnecessary. Drinking plenty of water, getting adequate sleep, and avoiding excessive sugar also matter. These internal factors matter more than any topical product. Addressing common concerns quickly. First, can these vitamins be obtained from food alone? Theoretically, yes, but getting 5,000 IUs of vitamin D requires eating 50 eggs or 4 pounds of salmon daily. Supplementation is the practical solution. Second, side effects are minimal because these are vitamins, not drugs. Some people experience mild digestive upset on an empty stomach, which is why taking them with food is recommended. Third, most people notice subtle changes within 3 to 7 days. More significant visible changes happen around week 2 to 3. By week 4 to 6, results are obvious to others. Fourth, this works for women across a wide age range from 40s through 80s. Fifth, ongoing supplementation is necessary because vitamin deficiency is ongoing as bodies age. This protocol will improve skin dramatically, but it's not magic. Women won't look exactly like they did at 25, but appearance will improve significantly compared to current state. They'll look like the best, healthiest version of their current age. The benefits extend beyond skin too. Women report higher energy, better sleep, clearer thinking, emotional stability, decreased joint pain, and stronger immune systems. This is about optimal aging, not just looking younger. Here's the action plan for women serious about trying this. First, schedule an appointment and request a full vitamin panel. Get baseline numbers to know the starting point. Second, work with a healthcare provider to determine appropriate dosages. Third, commit to 12 weeks of consistent supplementation. Fourth, take progress photos every 2 weeks. And fifth, share this information with other women struggling with aging skin. Some viewers will take action immediately and see amazing results. Some will save this video and never follow through. And some will dismiss this because it sounds too simple. But it works if action is actually taken. 12 weeks from now, viewers will either wish they had started today or they'll be amazed at how different they look. If this video opened eyes to something previously unknown, hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel for more evidence-based health information. And comment below about whether vitamin levels have ever been checked. Remember, aging is inevitable, but how aging happens is a choice. More control exists than most people think. Now the knowledge exists for using that control effectively. See you in the next video.